I hope you enjoyed the book Alphabet Under Construction. This is a really great book that shows the creativity of a little mouse. For your response to the book this week, I want you to choose a letter from the letters that we're learning this week, which we're learning K, L, M, and N, or choose a letter from your name. And I want you to choose a way to represent or create this letter. Some ideas include going onto the art tab on our Canvas course and choosing an art project for one of the letters for this week, or you can create your own. Like I said when I was reading the book, if I had to choose one way, I would probably make a cake and ice the letter that I chose on the cake. Anyway, I'm excited to see your projects. Even though it's not a required assignment for this week, I'd love to see your creative projects that you come up with. And it can be simple too. Go to the beach, make a letter out of rocks. Again, I'm excited to see your creativity this week, and have a great day.